everyone and welcome on this new video where I'll show you if polling rate has an impact on your gaming sessions. Starting off with 1000 Hz, we'll open Overwatch 2, we'll do a quick run, a simulation I decided to do. It's like pretty simple, straightforward, it's like around 20 seconds per simulation, and well, it's not an exact science, it's not as accurate as it could be, but at the same time, you cannot just run a benchmark and expect to have different results while not moving the mouse. Even if you move the mouse during the benchmark, it doesn't mean anything. So you need to play a game where it actually counts. So we'll go over to this line with Soldier 76. Press L, get up, shoot, jump, reload, go around here, and we'll have a base frame time. Finish the reload animation, level 2, spawn, and that's it. So now we got this file, and this is our result. To be fair, this one could have been a lot better, but I guess it was just lucky. So we'll just ignore it for now. Now we'll go over to 2000 Hz. Reload this whole thing. Open it again. Select the character. Yeah, that's about right. Bad starter. Reload with for the two bots to spawn, and that's it. Press B. Okay, we should get the other results. So these two are pretty much comparable, and well, almost exactly the same. I would say that that's a run-to-run variance. Over here, yourself. Okay, perfect. So now we should get the other result, which is slightly lower. And we'll do it again, one more time. Okay. I roll a bit faster to be fair, but there it is. That should be done. So yes, this one looked to be more smooth, like smoother. So we'll do it again, starting with 1000 Hz. Ready to start. That was a bad starter there. Okay, this one is done. What do we get now? Is 271 1% lows. Yeah, I know. It doesn't look that promising when the results are displayed, but we'll see now. getting lower. 1% lows. We got to 4000 hertz. Leave the game and reload. There was no stutter on this U-turn, so I expect it to be slightly higher this time. And yeah, it is indeed slightly higher. So 8000 hertz now. This is the last test. I mean, I didn't only run the test 2 times, as you see now in the video. I ran it like I don't know how many times, honestly. But the results were always like consistent in a way, but inconclusive. So this is where it should lag, because a bit fast wipe, you should raise the hertz. Okay, the hertz. Yeah, these are the results. As you can see, there's not a real difference. I could make an average out of these, but you know, like this was the worst run just because it was the first one, and then everything else pretty much we're talking about like roughly 11,000 to 12,000 frames. They're always there. There's no actual difference. So I would say that the myth that 8000 hertz makes your PC perform worse. I even tried with downlight, and the difference was not there actually. So I would say that this myth is busted.